vaccine also a drug before are injected into our body. Like this, they are useful. And harmful effects also in drugs. Like for example, in previous day incident, in previous my senior was an very intelligent girl. She was at every time topper, but her father was addictive with drugs and she spoiled her life. She suicided attempt and child marriage was done by that girl. And lastly, I want to say, for that incident, I will cried for more and morely. This drugs was not the thing. When they use drugs, they are not in our environment. They feel like different environment. They causes diseases. They causes mind absent. Totally, they feel killing, crime, etc. Now I want to say government. And control, how the government control antibiotics. They have to antibiotics, they prepare posters, rallies to know about the drugs. And policemen also has to ride and they have to deal with other drugs criminals and they have to arrest them, they have to more taxes on them. And society also, we know ASHA workers are in our society and they will collect the information, how many members are there in our, how many members are doing like that only, how many members are using drugs. Like that only they will take, means it is useful or don't take this like the drugs. They have to say to others also. My conclusion, lastly I want to say, like drug is a knife. When it is in hand, the doctor will be used. This is a drug. And when it is in our knife's hand, I mean thief's hand, it is not useful. Like that only we have to add food in social also, in social society also.